Have you ever done an experiment using popcorn? I have two to try today. So experiment 1 takes salt, any kind of salt will do, corn kernels, and a mason jar. First you pour the salt into your jar, then you pour the corn in. And then you put the lid on. Once you get everything in there, you're going to gently roll it around. Cover that popcorn, get it in there. I like to roll it on a flat surface, really get it going. Shaking my camera. Now, once it's done, you go ahead and put it upright, and you can tap it a few times to see what happens. Now look, the corn kernels come back up. I would have thought that they may have sunk to the bottom. Did you think that they would have sunk to the bottom? Or did you think that they would come to the top? That is a great way to have an experiment. If you mix the two together and you ask the kids, what do you think would happen? Let them guess and find out. The answer actually has to do with density. Surprisingly, the salt is more dense than the popcorn. So they have air in them. So the popcorn will always come back up and the salt will always go to the bottom. Pretty cool. So experiment 2 consists of a mason jar, about a 1/4 cup of popcorn, about 4 tablespoons of baking soda, vinegar, a spoon, and a container in case it spills over that won't then damage your surface. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put water in our mason jar just about 3/4 of the way up. And now we're going to add the baking soda to that. And the kids are always awesome to help with this kind of step. Just mix it in there. Get it dissolved. And you keep on stirring until it gets clear. And if it's a little cloudy, that's okay, but it's mostly clear. Now at this stage, you can have the kids help you with putting some popcorn in here. You don't need to use the whole amount, but I did use about half. So now comes the fun part. You want to take the vinegar and slowly add it. There's going to be a reaction. Before you know it, you're going to start seeing some popcorn move. Let me get a little closer with the camera. As you see, after a little while, they'll all start popping up and down. And you can take your spoon, move them around, and see what they do. So what caused the popcorn to go up and down? Well, there's a chemical reaction between the baking soda and the vinegar. They form the bubbles. The bubbles cause the kernels to rise to the top. When the gas is released at the top, they go back down. Gotta love science. Well, until next time, take care, stay safe, see you at the library. Bye.